This is the nucleus method of swarm control that we use down at the apiary. Now I've prepared 3 frames of foundation and a nucleus. Bring the nucleus box near to the colony, and in this I have placed a frame feeder, or you could have an extra frame of food. Now we go through, we know that there are queen cells in here, so we will take the hive apart, take the super off, we're not going to look in there, take the queen excluder off, check underneath to make sure the queen's not there, shake the bees off, place that there. Now I know exactly where the queen is because I got this frame marked, but you have to go through and find the queen and hopefully the frame that she's on. And you want a nice frame of brood, because in here I want to make it up with 2 frames of brood. So I should take another one that has has sealed brood on it, because I want them to be hatching out as nurse bees as soon as possible. Then I will take 2 frames with lots of young bees on, and I will shake them in. There's another one. Shake it in, because these flying bees that are in there will actually fly back into this hive. So we want as many nurse bees in there as we can. Then we want a frame of food, like so, with any bees that are on there, not a problem. Okay? And then ideally, we have a frame of drawn comb here. Foundation will do, but otherwise that would be excellent. And then we top that up with food. We close this down, and ideally we put a little bit of wet grass in the entrance just to slow their return and their movement down. Then we can close up the brood nest in here and add foundation or drawn comb, having gone through to remove queen cells and leave perhaps 1 or 2 with the smallest larvae with the largest amount of royal jelly. Then we re-establish the colony. If you didn't have a super on here, you could actually put a feeder on. But in this instance, we're going to do it like this. Now, if you want to make increase, we move this nucleus to another part of the apiary, set it up where we want it to continue, and eventually that will grow and we'll move it into a full hive. If you don't want to make increase, but you want to stay with the same numbers but requeen, you keep this as an insurance policy. And the best way to keep it is either next to the colony and turn the entrance round, or if you haven't got enough space, you can actually put it on top. And you can either have it this way or that way, as long as the entrance faces a different way from the entrance. Now, for convenience sake, if they're on the warm way as they are here, I would put the entrance going that way, because then if I want to look at this hive, I can just move these here, work on this, and the bees, flying bees, won't come onto my back. You can leave that until you're happy that the queen in here has emerged and is laying satisfactorily. Then you would go through here and you can kill the old queen and merge these 2 boxes together, and then you would have a requeened colony without any increase.